Do you want a day trading strategy that happens at the same time every single day? This trading strategy is called the morning move. I'm going to explain to you exactly what makes up the morning move in this lesson, guys, okay? But don't forget, trading is risky. Do not trade money you cannot afford to lose. So be careful, guys. Make sure you know exactly what you're doing and managing risk at all times. Let's dive into the morning move strategy and show you why it's so good. Okay, so what time would you trade the morning move? It's 8 a.m. London time. What we're looking to do is trade it from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. London time, okay? Now, why do we get such good moves at that time? Well, it's the London cash. The FTSE 100 cash session opens at 8 a.m. And also the DAX, okay, opens at 9 a.m. Central European time, which is the same time. All the pressure that builds up while the exchanges were closed gets released in a burst. And what we're trying to do as day traders, we're trying to get that burst of price action with a trade signal and go and make a nice return. Now, also, point number 2 here, you get overnight order accumulation. So people placing orders overnight and, you know, looking to get position for the next morning move. Then you get overnight news that gets priced in. You've got the US markets closing 9 p.m. London time. And then you've got the Asian session while we're all asleep here in Europe. You've got the overnight session with the Asian session, guys. So it's this big build-up of volume and strength and power to push these markets in one direction. And then also point number 4 here, you do get data and earnings coming out before the market opens at 8 a.m. So this is what we want. We don't want to trade in the doldrums as day traders. We don't want to trade when the markets are quiet. Embrace volatility, because volatility is what you need as a day trader. Volatility meaning fast price action. And as a day trader, you need to be ruthless. You need to get in once you get your signal and get out. So why is the morning move so good for us as day traders? Well, point number 1 here, you make your day's money really quickly. As I just said, you don't want to be sitting around all day long waiting for the markets to move. The trade is over. You're not sitting there all day long. It's directional. What that means is you get a long signal and it pushes higher, or you get a short signal and it pushes lower and it goes in that direction. You don't often get chop and slop and the price going sideways. You get that momentum move in one direction, and you want to get on that train when it's leaving the station, guys. It breaks out in volume. As I said on the previous slide, all that pented up volume and news and orders are all getting ready to, you know, push that market in that direction. It's great risk reward. If your risk reward is poor, you know, you're getting 1-to-1 risk reward, you're risking 1 to make 1. Well, in this volatility burst, in the morning move, it's great risk reward because you're looking for 2, 3, 4, 5-to-1 reward on these trades. Look, you know where you're wrong as well. Point number 6 here. You'll have a stop in place. You'll know exactly where you're wrong when I explain it to you in 1 second. And point number 7, most importantly, out of all of it, really, you know, why are you doing this? You're doing this for freedom. You want to make your day's money as quick as possible, and then you want to enjoy the rest of your day, especially in the summer months in Europe. It is fantastic to go in, make your day's money, and be done. So let's dive into the strategy now. So here we are in a chart, and I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame here. And what I've done, I put the average true range on down below. Basically what that means, guys, is that the average price movement for this market over the average over a 1 hour period. Okay, so it's looking back, the actual average true range setting here, I've got it at 14, so it's averaging the last 14 candlesticks. And what it does here, because you're reading on the right hand side, it says 67 here. So basically it moves 67 points in an hour. Okay, it could go a little bit more, could go a little bit less. And so the DAX, you know, it's a great market to trade because you've got so many of the big stocks inside the DAX, like BMW, Mercedes and things like that. So the average true range is much greater. If you go to the FTSE 100, which is another great market to trade, I really enjoy trading the FTSE. The average true range is 23 pips here. It did go up, well, that was yesterday, Thursday, it did go up to 32 points. So the potential move for me is greater in the DAX because the bigger the move, the more potential, the more money you can make on these trades. And the bigger the move, the bigger the profit, I would say. So looking at this, embrace the volatility, because as I said, volatility is your friend. So when I go down to a smaller time frame, I might be down to the 5 and 1 minute charts. And this is the 5 minute time frame, pretty standard time frame for a lot of traders that are day trading the markets, but you can quicken things up. And this standard candlestick chart just gives me shivers, guys, because it brings back so many memories of when I first started trading over 20 years ago and using these types of candlesticks. Because if you're someone like I was then that used to get out of trades too quickly and get spooked and faked out of the market, what I mean by faked out the market, something like this, okay? The price goes up here, and then you get this big candlestick that's a red candlestick. That's a selling candlestick here. I'd get faked out of this push down lower. The market's job is to fake you out the move before it goes on its big move. I don't know whether you've had the same experience. I'm sure you have. There's not many traders that, haven't been faked out of the down candlestick before it goes on the big move. I'm sure you're one of them as well. And that was me. And I had to come up with something that literally used to get my risk reward up. I needed better reward for my risk on trades, because if I'm literally just buying it here and I'm getting out here, I've got like a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, and we all know that. We're all clever enough to know that you can't really do well if you're a retail trader mentally if you're only getting 1-to-1 risk reward. It's tough. You want to be going for those big moves so that reward is much greater. However big you want it to be, you need it as big as possible. And those 1 or 2 trades that really go. Now, in the bull market, when the stock market was flying and on the open at 8 a.m., it would just go up. We were talking 120, 200 point moves on a morning move. Now the bull market is sort of like slowing. We've still got a bull market in the DAX, but it is slowing. And we could take advantage of long and short trades. So what I created was then the color method. And then the color method just made it so much easier for myself, because I wasn't trading my emotion. Now I was trading the colors. And the colors for me, with this multiple time frame skill that I'm doing, guys, I'll explain in a second what that is. It just made it much easier to go and make profits. Okay, so let's dive into the other type of trading when we're using colors here. Okay, so here we are on the 5 minute chart of the German DAX, and what I would say is that we want to use multiple time frame colors. All right, you've probably not heard that before. So if the 5 minute is green and the daily chart is green, we want to be looking for 1 minute greens. Okay, so you can see here a buy signal is when it goes from red to green. Storyteller down here is green, so this is our throttle. This is our accelerator, really, in our volume move. We're seeing the histograms pointing up. That means that we want to be looking for long. So if we get the tracks, which are the dots, the candlesticks, and the actual storyteller throttling type of move here, which is you put your foot on the throttle and you just, it just flies. If we see that, then that is a buy signal. Now the 5 minute is solid time frame, but I want better risk reward. So what I do then is I go down to the 1 minute chart. Let's show you that. Okay, so you can see here the candlesticks are quicker. It's a 1 minute chart. They're going to change quickly. So we've got this red formation here, this sideways price action. Look at the time down below. We're in our 750, 751, 54, 757. Just before the market opens at 8 a.m., we get buy signals. We go from red to green. Tracks are green, storyteller points green. We get a wide range candlestick and away we go. Now this is all you got to then do. You buy, stop placement will be automatically placed underneath the swing low, and all you're trying to do is get as good as possible as following the colors. So as it's pushing up, you're in at 725, 730, 740, you're pushing up, you exit on the red here at 786 area. Okay, so look, 40, 50 odd point move just in here. That is enough to make you a living forever. And all that combination of all the news coming out, overnight orders, all the cash session opening, pushes that market on the open, and that's where you want to get that volume move with the colors, all right? And then you're done. Now at £10 a point, if you're doing a spread betting account, remember trading is risky, guys. You want to be putting a stop in at all times. Now if you're doing a spread betting account and you're doing pounds per point, £10 a point, you made yourself £400 to £500 there. And this move happens every day, every single day. Not always long, but once you learn the skill to combine the multiple time frames with the colors, then you're going to be on the right side of most of these moves, okay? And of course, we are, like I'm always going to say, you need to manage risk, because you don't need to make 100% winning trades here. If we just put a line in underneath where we'd put a traditional stop. Now, the Pro Trading system and tracks here will give you a dynamic stop, okay? But let's just put it in manually here. Let's say we enter here, all right? So there's our stop placement of the lows. Here's our entry around this area here, or even just here. Let's put our entry here, okay? You got in a little bit later right here. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to just put a little box here, because that is where your entry and your stop placed, okay? Now, I'm going to then duplicate that, if it lets me do it. So let's just duplicate that again. And what I'm going to do here is basically, let's just try and copy that. Copy the rectangle, move it up. And I'll pause that and I'll make sure I do it, guys. Copy it there, copy it here, okay, copy it here. All right, so this is a bit of a vague risk reward visual, okay? So entry here, stop here. There's your 1-to-1 risk reward. There's your 2-to-1. There's your 3-to-1. All right, so if you're looking for 3-to-1 risk reward, then you've made it in that volatility move. All right, that's a profile of an account that's growing. So you want to be looking for these explosive moves on this. All right, now I have put a complete lesson on the color method in the description down below, guys. If you want to take a look at that further, click on that link in the description. It will take you to a page where you can actually watch the training on that as well, okay? So that's the morning move. It is simple. It has to be simple, because when we're looking at so many different things, we can only process 2 to 5 things really at one time, us human beings. I wouldn't even say 5, I'd say 3 things at once, okay? And you want it simple, you want it fast, and you want to be done. That is the morning move that we use here at Trading College. Now, this is just the DAX for the moment. But yesterday I did a lovely over £900 profit trading the dollar yen. Now, the dollar yen, you would think, well, hang on a minute. It's a yen market, everyone's asleep. The US market, everyone's asleep. Why are you trading the dollar yen? It had a setup. It had a setup on a bigger time frame, like a 4-hour time frame. And so what I did, I went down to the 1 and 5 minute chart combination and traded it to the downside. I don't do that often. I just saw the setup and the strategy. It turned red and I was looking for short trades. Wow, it's great. Things like crude oil, you don't often get a big market move at 8 a.m. The gold market comes a little bit later towards the London lunchtime, really, when you get that explosive move. The NASDAQ, you want to be looking at 2:30 London time, okay? That's when the US markets open up. And, you know, euro dollar maybe you want to trade, but you've got to check the average 2 range. It's so important because you don't want to be stuck in a trade that is not moving. That will then create bad habits, as in you'll start to force the trades even more. And it's boring. It's boring. You don't want to be sitting there. And the thing about this move, you get that big dopamine fix, which, you know, we're all looking for as we come to our charts in the morning. We're there ready to trade. And I'm preparing at 7 a.m. in the morning, guys. You don't have to. You could prepare at 7:30. I'm preparing at 7 a.m. just like I used to prepare really early in my football days, get to the ground really early before anyone else. Wanted to make sure my boots were clean, my kit was ready, and literally, you know, be totally prepared. And that's what allows me to go and make some really nice profits trading this move. All right, guys. Speak to you soon. Don't forget, in the description, there's more information on this. Bye-bye for now.